Today's video is how to use LinkedIn Premium to increase your chances of finding a job. We will look at the features available in LinkedIn Premium that we can use. Before we start, what's a LinkedIn Premium? What distinguishes LinkedIn Premium from its free version? LinkedIn Premium is a paid service. It is subscription-based. It comprises features not available on the free platform. Tip number 1. Shortlist your top 10 companies. Start by shortlisting your top 5 or top 10 companies you want to work for. This helps you stay focused on your dream companies. Tip number 2. Use the Insights feature. The Insights feature on the company's profile page shows the employee count, headcount growth by function, and many more. Tip number 3. Identify the key people. Identify the recruiters, HR manager, head of the department, and other key people. Why should you do that? To network with them, of course. Tip number 4. Use the in-mail feature. In contrast to non-premium accounts, the LinkedIn Premium feature allows you to send messages to non-connections. This feature is called in-mail. Personalize the subject line in the message. Avoid using an existing template message. Do not talk about your desires and expectations. Let them know what you can do and how your skills and experience match their requirements. Tip number 5. Who viewed your profile? This feature is also available in non-premium accounts, but only with premium can you see who has viewed your profile in the last 90 days. Recruiters or hiring managers might have checked out your profile due to your skill set. Think of it as a possible opportunity and reach out to them. How do you do that? Send them an in-mail or a connection request to begin. Tip number 6. The interview preparation option. Use this option to get a list of common interview questions. Choose the Jobs tab, and then select Interview Prep. LinkedIn Premium users can view sample interview answers that have been written by experts. Use the Practice and Get Feedback button to record your practice answer and receive feedback. Tip number 7. Application Insights feature. This feature gives you insight into the other applicants who have applied for the role. It tells you which of your skills are a match for the role and which you are missing. This lets you know what to upskill yourself on or what to include in your application if you haven't mentioned it yet. Tip number 8. LinkedIn Learning. The LinkedIn Learning Library gives you access to over 20,000 self-paced courses delivered by industry experts. There is a library of instructional videos covering the latest business, technology, and creative skills. It provides personalized course recommendations and a learning path. At the end of the course, a certificate is issued which the learners can mention in their resume. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.